Welcome to Bencho, and today I got some very sad news for you guys. You probably know Gilbert, but I haven't posted about Gilbert yet for a really long time. But I'm going to say, Gilbert's dead. Gilbert's dead. But right now was like I tried to calm down, and I didn't even cry, but no big deal. But it's like uh, I felt like regret, like I didn't even take care of my bird recently so I feel bad about it. So guys, it's okay now because Gilbert is not right now. I guess he's I don't know, but anyways, he's safe. But don't worry, he will be always beside me, and yeah, and I believe that he can really see me, like yeah. But and we just like buried my birds, buried my bird. Yeah, just like where I like put last time. I had a bird last time, but it died. Then I got a new one, which one that died today. So guys, it's okay, but guys, subscribe and like this video. Bye.